Everybody wants to have the best looking lawn on the block, and we all face the same 3 problems getting that amazing lawn. So today I'm going to give you some great tips on how to get it. The first problem a lot of us face is yellow grass, and in most cases this is caused by a lack of nitrogen in the soil. So a great way to tackle that is to start by reducing the frequency of your watering so you don't lose all those valuable nutrients in the soil. And then the second thing you want to do is make sure you're fertilizing with a high quality fertilizer that is high in nitrogen, like the ProMix Green and Feed fertilizer. This is 100% nutrients, no filler, and it has 40% slow release nitrogen to give your lawn a fast green up and continuous feeding. Another problem a lot of us face is a brown lawn. Now, if you're a dog owner, it's a really good idea on a regular basis to get out there and make sure you're flushing your lawn through with water to dilute the pet urine that can cause burning. Finally, the dreaded bare patch. It can be caused by a number of different factors, but the best way to tackle it is overseeding. Start by spreading a thin layer of ProMix lawn soil. You then want to sow with ProMix Ultimate All Conditions grass seed, then give that a little bit of a rake to get it to settle. Compress it with your feet, then just make sure you keep the seeds moist until they start to germinate.